Okay, good afternoon everyone here. So today we are going to start a new chapter. Today we'll discuss the introduction or doesn't we unable to complete the syllabus within 1 or 2 days. So we able to complete till 2nd or 1st of December or maybe 3rd. So today we'll discuss global. Globalization is what? You know very well. Globalization is the global. Today world is shrinking. Earlier we were studying the such statement. कि world is the shrinking. Shrinking is the सिकुड़ रहा है. सिकुड़ ऐसे रहा है कि today when we need anything, so we can book through the mobiles. We can take any facilities from those earlier located or maybe the not in are accessible or out from our range. So today world is shrinking. Nothing is on distance. All are global. Means all are connected, interconnected, interlinking. So today we discuss the main point of this chapter introduction. So global means what? So we start from the earlier onwards. Okay, earlier time what happens when we need any product, it is that chapter is based on the goods and services. Global. So first we are going to start through the goods and services. So there student when earlier time we studied there was the barter system when you need any goods or product maybe so you may be exchange without help of money. So earlier time barter system was done. Nowadays when we feel ki if anything we need or it may be not fulfilled by the those who may be living in front of us or maybe those who are supplies to us. So in place of that, what is the alternate? So we have started the currency, means the liquid form of money, or make the medium of exchange. So currency or money is the medium of exchange we have started. Later on, we feel that all the things should be available at the one place. So earlier time weekly market were held. So we have earlier discussed about the weekly market. It was organized a specific day of week. So from where their people can purchase their daily needs thing or maybe the whatever they want needs. So they purchase from that area and whatever they want needs. So that is known as the weekly market. Later on we feel that some markets should be located where the we can purchase any time is the mostly in day, during the day during the day. So we have started the permanent shop. How our device are means the when our changes, how to we modify ourselves. So as it market is modified by us. So later on we started the permanent shop where during the day you can purchase any product anytime during the day. So that is the permanent shop started. But after when the permanent shop we feel here it is not good. Or suppose when I need the book, so I purchase from the any stationery shop. When I need suppose clothes, so I will purchase from the different shop. When I need vegetable or like, so I will purchase from the different shop. Okay. So what I observe is all goods should be available at the one place. At the one place, all the goods should be available at the one place. So what happens? What we have started? We started the shopping malls. You know, shopping malls has started. So all the products are available at the one place, electronic to related, like a malls started. Like there are not such malls are located in our Chittor, but in Bhilwara and Udaipur Celebration Mall or like this. So all the products are available at the one place, like electronic item, clothes, cotton item, woolen items, toys, entertainment, movies, all the things are available at the one place. So we have started the multi shopping malls, multi complex shopping malls or such type of. So this is started by the different owners of businessmen or multinational company. So later on we started. अब what there? We never stop here. हम यही नहीं रुके. Later on what we have यार Indian product or maybe whatever product we are purchasing, we should be all the products, those are manufactured by the other nations or based on products should be available at the one place. So that is the global edge started. Today we able to purchase any foreign, any product which are best for us. Or when it is possible, because trade is the exchange between the two nations, exchange of what? Goods and services. So when a goods and services may be exchanged to the other nations. So when it is possible, if there are two nations A and B, here I am giving introduction only, okay? So A and B to our nation. So when their trade may be the liberal, when both nations should be cooperate to each other. Like if we impose the duties on import, so such country, B country, A country maybe face the problem. If A country impose the duties on our import, means the whatever we are exporting, taxes लगाएगा, तो such product are costly inside the A country. So both policies should be liberal. So when that trade may be possible. So who will take this responsibility? Suppose we can make the such policies with our neighboring country, but what about the world? What about the USA? What about the China? What about the other nation, Korea, Japan, like this? So we will make a globalization. That is the one institution, World Trade Organization has made the laws. World Trade Organization will discuss later on. Okay, this is the flow chart. So World Trade Organization has made the policies for all, means the norms for all, or how to global or maybe trade become a liberal for all. सब कंट्री के लिए कैसे ले, क्योंकि इट इज गुड फॉर अस, मींस द कस्टमर. इफ ट्रेड में बी लिबरल फॉर ऑल नेशन, तो व्हाट विल बी रिजल्ट? मोर एंड मोर चॉइस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट विल बी अवेलेबल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कस्टमर. फॉरेन प्रोडक्ट आल्सो, other nations product also. So when a competition will be start among the suppliers, these are the suppliers, we are demand consumer. So when a competition may be start among the suppliers, between suppliers, so their prices will be decreased. Second, there may be good quality of product will be available in market. Okay, and those have the branded product, if they want to compete with the local product, so they will be decrease their prices. Like earlier time, you know, there were many people who can't purchase the like Apple and such non-plus or such mobile category or such branded phone. But today, if they want to compete with the such mobiles are running in market like a Oppo mobile, Vivo mobile, other there are lot of companies. So what they will do? They will decrease the prices of their product. They will compromise with the quality. So you know, earlier time such mobiles were available more than the 40 or 50,000. Today they are available at 25, minimum 25. Means their prices is started from the 25,000. Why this happens? Due to the competition. If they want to sell their product, if they want to sell their product inside our country, so they should be compromised with the price or either they compromise with the quality. दो ही चीजें होती है, या तो आप प्राइस से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो या क्वालिटी से करो. सपोज ये डस्टर है, अगर आप सेम क्वालिटी का डस्टर, इफ ए कंपनी इज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और अनदर वन बी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रही है सेम क्वालिटी, और मे बी उसकी प्राइस है 20 रुपीज, आपकी प्राइस आ रही है 30 रुपीज, तो यू हैव ओनली टू ऑप्शन. कॉम्प्रोमाइज योर क्वालिटी, क्वालिटी डिक्रीज कर दो, प्राइस कम हो जाएगी. आइदर देन कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द प्राइस, प्राइस कम कर दो. दोनों चीजें. इफ यू कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद क्वालिटी, तो इट विल बी नॉट अ लॉस ड्यूरिंग द प्रेजेंट, इट विल बी लॉसफुल फॉर कंपनी इन फ्यूचर्स. कैसे? इफ यू कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद द क्वालिटी, so what happens? Those people, those customer are your permanent customer. They may be purchased due to the brand name. due to the brand name. But when they feel कि there is some changes in quality, so they may be divert to the other companies. So it will be loseful in future. क्योंकि brand name, when you want to create a brand name, so a long duration of period is required to create a brand name. एक ब्रांड नेम बनने में बेटा बहुत बड़ा टाइम लगता है और आफ्टर व्हेन अ ब्रांड नेम may be published or may be memorized by the all, so you able to sell your product no matter whatever quantity you are selling. Sorry, not a quantity, quality. Because one a brand name may be run, so why the multinational company want to purchase the such product which are popular in local region? Suppose if multinational company want to purchase the edible oils inside our Rajasthan or in our local areas, so Chambal is famous oil, Makos is famous. These are the local brand, mostly famous in Rajasthan. So first they want to capture the such brand only. Why? Because if multinational company maybe launch any such edible oil, so can't compete with the local brand. They can't, because local brand has created the image after 5 to 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. So how it is possible we can multinational company maybe remove the brand name within the short period? Are you getting my point? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ बेटा? अरे मैं तो to remove the brand name, so that's why in place of new product, what multinational company are doing? Multinational company want to invest on the local brand. They purchase the local brand or sell their product with the name of whatever they have purchased. जैसे सपोज दे में भी मैन्युफैक्चर द एडिबल ऑयल, लेकिन वो किसमें पैक करके सेल करेंगे? चंबल ब्रांड के नेम से. Listen, they may be purchased raw material from anywhere, but brand name will be Chambal. Okay, so this happens. So what was the story going on? So when a globalization is possible, when there may be both countries' relations are liberal, where there may be trust on each other or liberal relations, so that is possible. Of such competition later on, when such trade is started, so in today, early time in our country, before 1 or 2 decades, 15 to 20 years before 10 or 20 between, so early time only two brands were famous in India in mobiles. I am discussing regarding the mobiles. I am taking example. One was the Nokia, another one was the Samsung. No one third such product may be compared with the Nokia and Samsung, or Nokia was the number one. But what happens today? There are a lot of multinational companies invest on mobile factories or mobile. Today, I hope out of 10, there are 1 or 2% who are having the Nokia mobile. Out of 10, only 1 or 2 may be possibility who have the Nokia mobile. Why this happens? Because Nokia unable to update with the Android version. Either then maybe possibility Nokia, maybe not a big brand name, but maybe like a Oppo or like a Vivo, like this. So today, you know, lot of facilities are available in front of the customer. So it is good for the customer. If you want to purchase any product, electronic product, you know, any product you want to purchase from market, so there are lot of the varieties are available. How it is possible variety? This is possible through the FDI. FDI means foreign direct investment. So foreign direct investment means that everyone maybe invest in any nations without any barriers. Without any barriers, anyone multinational company maybe invest any nation. So it is good for the customer. So customer may be satisfied or may be happy with the FDI. But at the same time, it is not good for the local traders. So those people brand name may be famous, or maybe they are selling their product as a local level or local region or local areas. They will be best fraud. Suppose their product is costly compared than the everyday product या multinational company product, so no one will purchase the local traders product. So how to they will survive? So for our nation, who will come first? Are local traders or foreign companies? Local traders are citizens because these are the resources for us. These are the temporary only. They said China, earlier China was invested inside the India. So China or such nations are temporary because their relation may be broke anytime. So these are the temporary relations, these are the permanent. So we must be, so we should be make a such balanced trade. Balanced trade means the foreign companies they may be invest here, or we should be protect the our local traders. So you know FDI it is signed by the local traders all the time. How to they will survive? Anyone local company who are selling their local product. So if their product may be costly compared than the foreign product, because foreign multinational companies are manufacturing such product in that area where all the factors are easily available. That's why their products are cheaply compared than others. Suppose FDI company maybe invest such industries in that area where the labor, water facilities, raw material, all the things are easily available. That's why they can reduce their cost, means that they can reduce the production cost, or through this that they maybe sell their product. So that is not good for local traders. So today those topic we will discuss on chapter globalization. So it is good for the customer, at the same time it will be not a good for the local traders. So in this chapter we will discuss the meaning of what is the globalization. Globalization means the interlinking between the market, interlinking between the multinational company. So there are multinational company who are investing in different nations, and in this topic, we will discuss about the production across the country. It is possible through only multinational company. Suppose any one multinational company have their market in different nations, like one market India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So these are the multinational companies. So these are known as the multinational companies. So their production across the country, they supply the material in across the countries with the in most of countries. And interlinking production across countries, this is the interlinking, how to their production interlink which other we'll discuss in this chapter. We'll discuss foreign trade and integration of market, how the same policies implemented on the market, what are the trade barriers, we'll discuss in this chapter. What is the how the Chinese toys in India? You know, Chinese toys are easily available in our country, not today, earlier time, at a cheap cost. Means earlier time when we purchase the toys, Chinese toys, तो their cost was the 10 or 20 rupees. और जबकि हमारे यहाँ उस टॉयज को रन करने के लिए चलाने के लिए जो सेल आता है उसकी कॉस्ट 10 होती है. तो वी आर अर्लियर टाइम वी वर शॉक्ड कि हाउ इज पॉसिबल यार, मिनिमम कॉस्ट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर टॉयज इज 10 or 20 rupees. How it is possible for Chinese? But that is possible because cheap labor is available in China. Cheap labor is available. Another one factor also. They are expert in that. So Chinese toys we'll discuss in this chapter. We'll discuss factor enable in globalization. कि globalization is how it is possible globalization. So globalization also depend as the different factor. What is the factor? Like a information also. IT sector is required. Without IT sector, globalization can't share data, information. So when we so IT sector is play the important role in globalization IT sector. So when we purchase, there is the three process which run in mostly in market. One is storage, Second one, processing. Third one, distribution. So in IT sector, how the globalization is work. So when if you see the different app like a Amazon app, Flipkart app, different there are. So when you book any order, first you will check it is in storage or not, in stock or not. It is available in stock or not. Yeah, sometimes out of stock. Like later on when we feel ki it is available but color is not available, product is available but in only this limited editions, these are available. So when you book any orders, so what happens, such line may become on your mobiles. So first you will choose the options, okay, cash on delivery, credit card, or maybe your debit card, whatever, how do you want to pay. Later on, storage, you will check. Later on, when you book, the processing will be start. Okay, processing will be start. So when you book, so shipping from that area. Later on, next time will be it is transferred to the Gurgaon or like whatever near office. Then after that, it may be delivered to the capital, whatever state may be. जैसे राजस्थान है तो capital like जयपुर और उस जगह आ जाएगा. After that, it will be delivered to the for distribution at the particular in Chittor. After it will be, so you can check your location. So how it is possible? By location, you are purchasing any product. So what I want to say, if you are purchasing any product or it will be delivered or it when it will be delivered in futures, it will be mentioned on the app also. Okay, it will be delivered on Wednesday or Monday morning or evening, whatever time also mentioned. So how it is possible? It is possible through the information technology. So without information technology, can we book any product or services on the net, yeah, on particular app? No. So information technologies play the important role in globalization. Another one, multinational company. If such multinations are company are not, multinational company means such company whom office are more than one nation. Simple सा definition. यानी ऐसी companies जिनकी branches एक से ज्यादा countries में. Okay, these are known as the multinational company. So without multinational companies, it can't possible. So multinational company may be manufacturing the different product or supply in different countries. So for globalization, IT sector is required. Multinational companies are required. Okay. Or at the last, we'll discuss about impact of globalization in India. So what is the impact of globalization in India on traders, on customers? So customer, for a customer, it is good impact on the customer, on our government. So we'll discuss all this point in this chapter. So dear student, today I have given only introduction without help of flowchart. Earlier I was written the flowchart. Through this I will explain. But there was the one story in my mind, so I will explain what is the meaning. You should be know what is the globalization. So tomorrow onward, dear student, will continue with the globalization. If you have any doubt, you may be asked.